So we started 10,000 Redwoods when we had been developing some plans for some large-scale restoration in the lower Lagunitas. Right where we're standing actually is one project where we're doing a mile-long restoration of the river corridor.
So not a lot of people understand how linked the redwoods and salmon are for their survival. The salmon depend on the redwoods to keep sediment out of the streams and to shade it so that it's nice and cool, and leave large woody debris in the stream for habitat. What most people also don't understand is the salmon return every year with these nutrients that have built up over time in the ocean, and when they're eaten by all the critters in the forest, they become fertilizer for our redwood trees. Scientists have actually found the DNA of salmon at the very tops of the redwood trees, and they were able to trace it back to this marine-derived nitrogen that's provided by the salmon. In fact, a long time ago when we had full runs of salmon, the Fish and Wildlife Service predicts there's millions and millions of pounds of fertilizer brought into our forests that aren't anymore. And they did studies on streams that were identical, and they found that salmon streams next to non-salmon streams, the redwoods would grow up to 5 times faster and larger.
So redwoods depend on fog, so we try to plant them in coastal fog belts. They like fairly narrow canyons. Valleys that aren't too wide or too exposed, too much sun.